When disaster strikes, having the right medical supplies can save lives. Let's break down the must-have items for a prepper's medical emergency kit. Start with the basics. A well-stocked first aid kit. Include bandages, gauze, antiseptic wipes, and medical tape to treat common injuries. Add items like tweezers and scissors for versatility. Pain management is essential. Pack over-the-counter medications such as ibuprofen and acetaminophen for pain and antihistamines for mild allergies. For long-term scenarios, include electrolyte packets to prevent dehydration. For wound care, add items like sterile gloves, an irrigation syringe, and wound closure strips. A tourniquet and hemostatic agents can be life-saving in severe injuries. Don't forget everyday health needs. If you take prescription medications, include a supply in your kit. Add personal hygiene items like hand sanitizer and a toothbrush. Finally, consider learning basic first aid and CPR. Knowledge paired with the right tools can make a world of difference in an emergency. Preparedness is about being proactive. With the right supplies, you'll be ready for anything. Hey, if you like this video and want more info on this topic, click on this video here. You can also get more life-saving information at isurvivethrive.com. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our I Survive Thrive YouTube channel. Check the description below this video for helpful links.